let's take a look at the buttons, the screen layout on the Vanquish 540. So we'll start on the left hand side with the power button. As we can see, the machine starts its process, noise cancelling, and we're ready to swing. Now the button above this is our backlight, and when it's in the on position we get representation, backlight icon on this left hand side of the screen. Now as we move down to the volume control, we can see we have a volume icon on the left hand side, and as we go up and down that icon changes, and when we reach the upper limit we get a change in audio. Let us know we're either at the upper or lower limits of that scale. And underneath we have the horseshoe, which is our all metal switch. As we can see now, we've got all metal, which allows an audio target response, an ID number for everything that falls in between that scale. And if we press it again, we're onto our discrimination pattern. And on the Vanquish 540, if we hold it down, it allows us to go from the high IM bias position to the low IM bias position, represented by this nail icon here. If we press it again, we're back into high IM bias. Now the sensitivity is controlled by these buttons, and as you can see on the sensitivity icon, wherever we are, it's represented on this icon. And again, when we get to the upper or lower limits, we get an audio change to let us know we're there. We're then on to the pinpoint, and the pinpoint is a press and hold, and when the lines go black, it's time to dig. This brings us on to our accept and reject buttons, where we can edit our discrimination packets simply by going up and down and accepting or rejecting. So that's shading in or unshading in. So if you want to take something out of the TID, you don't want to hear it or find it, you simply shade in to allow, shade out to take out. And if we want to do that on the fly, if we're in the field where there's a number on the screen, if we press this accept reject button, it will take it out of the TID. Now we do have a depth gauge, which is simplified by these two little arrows, and each one of those arrows represents 2 inch. And if we up the sensitivity, should be able to get right up. And then obviously the big number is your ID number, which corresponds with the TID bar across the top. This brings us on to the detect mode function. The detect modes have icons up and down this right hand side of the screen. Now you can currently see we're in the coin mode. Press it once, we go on to relic. Press it again, we're into jury, and now we're into our user defined slot. Now if we've been out and we've edited our pattern and we want to save that, we simply press and hold the detect mode button, wait for the audio and visual, and then the next time that we turn our machine on, we revert back to where we were the previous session. This brings us on to the Bluetooth, which is here. We'll get an icon on this left hand side of the screen. Now that's the search. So if you pair and turn the machine off, when you turn the machine on, it will automatically hold the Bluetooth search on button, and it will connect to what was previously connected to. If you want to start a new search, simply hold the Bluetooth button down, wait for the audio, and it should try to connect to whatever you're trying to connect to. Now it's worth noting that there's a standard, when you have connected, this icon will either be a Bluetooth icon or a Bluetooth icon with a plus sign, and the plus represents that you're connected in aptX-LL, which is the low loss codec, and basically what the Bluetooth connections are measured in we call lag time, and the lower the lag time the better, and the aptX-LL is a faster connection, and the lag refers to the time it takes the audio to come from the machine to your ears on a wireless connection. So the less lag the better. So the last function is our factory preset, and if we hold down the power button on startup, it'll let us know by the FP that we're trying to get into the factory preset, and as we take our finger off, machine reboots, and we're back to where it was when we left the manufacturer. That's all the buttons. Thanks for watching. There's plenty more walkthroughs on the YouTube channel, and we'll see you again next time.